Adobe PhotoDeluxe was the consumer version of Photoshop in the 90s. PDD files are its projects. Modern Photoshop can still open them, but you might lose some text editing ability. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional PDD file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. The PDD file extension is associated with two distinct file types, Adobe PhotoDeluxe Image and Adobe Photoshop Image. PhotoDeluxe used .pdd as its native format for storing image files, with layers, effects, and other editing information. Photoshop also uses PDD, though less commonly, primarily for older or legacy files. PhotoDeluxe.pdd files are structured to store raster image data, layer information, adjustment settings, and other editing parameters specific to PhotoDeluxe. Photoshop.pdd files, while similar in concept, adhere to Photoshop's internal format, which may include more advanced features and compression techniques. Both formats support multiple layers and alpha channels. Your primary software solution for PDD files should be Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows may show the picture clearly, but full editing flexibility requires advanced imaging tools. Your first troubleshooting move. Right-click the PDD file and select Open With. Try launching it using Adobe Photoshop if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If your PDD file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, use PhotoDeluxe. Open the file using Adobe PhotoDeluxe, the required application for the proprietary image format. Next, use Photoshop. Open the file using Adobe Photoshop, which often supports older Adobe proprietary formats. Finally, convert to PSD/JPG. Use an image editor to convert the PDD file to a universal format like .psd or JPG. If your apps can't interpret the PDD file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn PDD formats. Time for the guaranteed solution, File Magic. It handles any PDD format you throw at it. Available now at filemagic.com. Less troubleshooting, more productivity. If you want to solve problems fast, please subscribe. This was the ultimate fix.